Hello and welcome. If you think non-alcoholic drinks are just overpriced juice box mixtures, think again. Today, we are upgrading your drink game with 3 incredibly fresh, herb-infused mocktails that actually taste sophisticated. We're making a virgin blackberry fizz, a unique basil and mint No-Jito, and a classic strawberry mint mocktail. Best part? No hangovers, just pure flavor. Let's get into it. First up is the virgin blackberry fizz. This one strikes the perfect balance between deep berry sweetness and sharp citrus. Grab a glass and drop in the juice of 1 full lime, 5 fresh blackberries, and if you like, a teaspoon of honey. Now muddle them together thoroughly to smash those berries and dissolve the honey. Next, slap 4 mint leaves to release their oils. Drop them in and fill the glass with ice. Top it off with sparkling soda water. Give it a gentle stir to lift those berries from the bottom. Garnish with a lime wedge. And look at that color gradient. Just look at how those deep purple colors swirl up into the bubbles. It is as refreshing as it looks. Next, we're putting a savory, aromatic twist on a classic. This is the basil and mint No-Jito. Adding basil elevates the standard virgin mojito into something truly gourmet. Into your tall glass, pour the juice of 1 lime and an ounce of simple syrup. If you don't have simple syrup, you can add a teaspoon of sugar. Now for the herbs, grab 8 mint leaves and 8 basil leaves. Instead of muddling, we're going to gently tear them. Tearing opens up the cell walls of the basil without making it bitter. Give the liquids and torn leaves a quick stir together first, then pack the glass with ice. Fill it to the top with soda water and garnish with a sharp lime wedge. It's incredibly aromatic. The smell of the fresh basil and mint hitting the air as the soda fizzes up is absolutely incredible. Trust me, you have to try this combination. Finally, we have the ultimate crowd pleaser, the strawberry mint mocktail. It's sweet, vibrant, and looks stunning. Start with 4 finely cubed strawberries in the base of your glass. Add the juice of half a lime and a teaspoon of honey for that smooth sweetness. Muddle this down until the strawberries are completely broken down. Toss in 6 fresh mint leaves. Fill it up with ice and gently top it off with soda water to keep those layers distinct. For the presentation, garnish with a halved strawberry on the rim. Classic, clean, and delicious. The perfect bright red summer drink. It's vibrant, sweet, and guarantees a crowd favorite. 3 distinct flavor profiles, all incredibly easy to make at home with simple, fresh ingredients. Let me know in the comments below which one you're making first. Are you team blackberry, basil, or strawberry? If you enjoyed these recipes, hit that like button, subscribe for more drink tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers!